We're here and Bakitinader, so they have also like a resort. Like it's kind of. And then so naglaro they're playing. And here's one family over there and we are here. So now ilagay ko muna kayo dyan guys. So yan, kaya maghipos na ta. We're gonna fix our things. It's already yan. Niagi ko. Niagi tabi apo. Yan. Gonna fix. Ito yung damit sa nakis ko. And her toys. So, ganito talaga guys. The role of a mother. So, you're the one who fix. So, tapos na maligo. I just only like half bath. It's too cold. I cannot. So, here. Need to fix. Toys. She always bring toys every time. Pinay Mama in Europe, shout out. I'm sak, salamat. Agoy. Wala na tayo baterya. Agoy, tabang. Ayan sis. We are now on the beach. This is our roll. So, taga-fix tayo. Taga-fix ng mga sapatos, chinilas. And this. So, ayan. It's done. Yan, doon kayo sa dagat tumingin. Tapos na ako. 40 million viewers. Shout out. Mega loud shout out. Ayan. Garbage need to bring home. Tata. Shorts. So this is our job. And fixing the towels. And all. So ito naman ang ating. So you know what? Every time we go beach, this is Tata, yun ang towel. Every time we go beach, I did not change, you know, just because it's just like 1 minute drive home to beach. So I usually wear like easy to wear like sarong. So ganun lang, kung maglakad-lakad kayo, yung puwit mo hindi makikita. Pero dito naman guys, ilagay natin. Kita ba? So ganito naman. Yan, sarong-sarong lang tayo. Sarong-sarong. Pinay Mama, salamat Sisi Koy. Salamat. Hindi pa pala na ako na nagtarong sa taas itong buhok. Ayun. So, mura na kong abat. So that's it. Diba easy lang? No need to, you know, no need to change a lot of clothes because a lot of wet. So even if like 1 minute only, you know, the 1 minute only the, how do you say that, nabasa. So kailangan ko talaga yung labhan sa laundry. So ayan guys, this is our view around 8:17. Wow, 8:17 over here. Ayan. They're very nice guys. Look the water. I like marble compared to sand. So ayan, inflatable over there. Ayun, may naliligo din natin i-focus kasi nga naka. Ang ganda guys. 61 million viewers, shout out. Mega mega loud shout out. 61 million viewers in the